Hello and welcome to HD Calcs. I'm Rick, and in this video we're going to have a look at how we can use scientific notation on the Casio fx-9750G3 calculator. To do that, we'll use the Shift key that looks like this, located here, the menu key with the Shift function of setup that looks like this, located here, the Exit key that looks like this, located here, the EXE key that looks like this, located here, the F2 and F3 keys that look like this, located here, the negative key that looks like this, located down here, and the times 10 to the x key that looks like this, located here. Scientific notation is used for writing either really large or really small numbers in a more manageable way. An example of this would be writing 150,000 as 1.5 times 10 to the power of 5. If we were given a number like 150,000 and wanted to convert that to scientific notation with our calculator, what we would do is first enter it on our calculator. So 150,000. And then we want to go Shift, Menu, which will bring us to this menu here. Now we need to scroll down until we get to the display option. Usually it's set to normal or normal 2. We need to change that to scientific notation mode. So we see here, SCI or scientific notation is under F2. So we'll press that. And then it'll ask us to select a number. This is how many digits are displayed in our scientific notation. For our example, we want to display 2. So we'll enter 2 and press EXE. Now we can hit Exit to leave this menu. And we still have that 150,000 on our calculator. So now if we hit EXE, we see it converts to 1.5 e to the power of 0.5. On our calculator, that e represents the times 10. This also works for very small numbers. Let's say we were given this, 0.0001, and wanted to convert that to scientific notation. Well, since we're already set to scientific notation mode, we can just enter that on our calculator and hit EXE, and we see that converts to 1 e, or times 10 to the negative 4, which is correct. If we're done using scientific notation, we can go back to normal mode by again pressing Shift and then the menu key, scrolling down until we see display, and then we want to go back to normal mode. So we hit the F3. Our first option will be normal mode 1. If we have this selected, it'll change our large numbers back to normal mode, but it will still display small numbers in scientific notation. So I like to use normal mode 2, but the choice is up to you. Once we've selected normal mode, we can hit Exit to leave this menu again. And now we see, if we enter our 150,000, it still displays as 150,000 with all the digits. But what if we wanted to enter numbers in scientific notation directly into our calculator? To do that, first we enter our 1.5 and then the times 10 to the x key down here. That will enter the e there, which we remember represents the times 10. And then for us, we want to enter 5 and hit EXE. And we see that gives us 150,000, which is correct. And again, this works with small numbers. If we wanted to enter 1 times 10 to the power of negative 4, we would start by entering our 1, and then the times 10 to the x. And then for small numbers, we want to use the negative key, not the subtraction, the negative one down here, and then 4. And if we hit EXE, we see we get 0.001, which is correct. All right, I hope this helps, and good luck on those tests out there, everybody.